Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, students, to all of you. This topic is for the class 4th and the name of the topic is change of states of matter. Students, in the last topic we saw what is matter, what are the different kinds, solids, liquids, and gases, and we saw their important properties. And in this topic we will see how matter changes states. Students, when a solid or a liquid is made to go through a change. For example, first, when heat is given to a solid, it changes into a liquid, and this process is called as melting. For example, if you take ice in any beaker and you start giving heat to it, what happens? It just changes its form and it gets converted from solid towards a liquid, and this process is called as melting. Second point is, students, if we give heat to a liquid, what will happen at that time? What happens? Evaporation starts. That means vapors start arising from that liquid, and this process is called as boiling. Students, gas also changes its state. Gas changes into liquid state when it cools at a certain temperature. So the condition in which gas changes into a liquid, that process is called as condensation. Students, when water is kept in a freezer, what happens? Water changes into ice. It gets converted from liquid towards solid. That means water towards ice, and this process is called as freezing. So students, matter changes state. I will sum up all these points. First one is, when a solid changes into liquid, this process is called as melting. Second point is, when a liquid changes into vapor, this process is called as evaporation and or boiling. Third point is, when a gas changes into liquid state at a certain temperature, that process is called as condensation. And fourth point is, when water changes into ice or liquid changes into solid, that process is called as freezing. Now students, we will see some more terms regarding this change of states. That is, what is solute, what is solvent, and what is a solution. Students, solute is anything that dissolves in a liquid. That is called as solute. For example, when we add sugar to water, it gives rise to a sugar solution. In that sugar solution, sugar that dissolves in the liquid, in the water, that is called as solute. Solvent is the substance in which the solute dissolves. That is, solvent means in the sugar solution, solvent means water. So solvent is the substance in which the solute dissolves. That's called as solvent. Now, what is solution? Solution is a result of mixing of solute and solvent. That means solute plus solvent gives us solution. So students, when solute and solvent get mixed up, for example, sugar and water get mixed up, they give rise to a sugar solution. In that sugar solution, sugar is solute, water is solvent, and the result that comes out, that is called a solution. Now at the end, students, there is a homework for you, that you will find out the answer of the question, what is condensation? Explain with an example. What is condensation? Explain with an example. Thank you.